Greetings, greetings, greetings. I'm not sure if my microphone is all the way up. Let me see. Okay, greetings. This is Gena, your inner coach. I am on this platform, Facebook, talking about test anxiety, of course. That is my specialty area. I love to think that I'm the guru of test anxiety. I love talking about it, but more importantly, I love to empower people and to help people and to get people to shift their mindset, shift their energy, rewire their brain, do everything you need to do to slay that anxiety and pass your next examination. The title of this Facebook Live is, Am I a Winner? And just not being sure about whether or not you are a winner. And the reason why I'm using the word winner is because earlier today, I posted that you are a winner. Now go and win. And that is a great pep talk. It gets people moving. It gets their energy going. It gets them excited and motivated. But for some people, excuse me, for some people, thinking that they are a winner brings even more doubt and more fear. And why would you feel fearful or doubtful if someone is saying that you are a winner? I think we live in a culture that says that you have to have so much, a long list of concrete proof that you deserve the title of a winner. That winners are typically people who win Olympic trials, right? Winners are people who win the lottery. Winners are people who are big CEOs of major companies. Winners are super duper successful. At least that's how we've defined winners. Winners are NBA players who win the playoffs, or NFL players, right? That, or who win the Super Bowl. Those are what we think about. Those instances and examples are what we think about when we think about winners, right? But I call you a winner. So how do you process this idea that you could be a winner just like an NFL player or an NBA player or an elite Olympiad, I think that's the word, or someone who's in the Olympics, a sportsman, a successful business person, an entrepreneur, a coach, people that you have deemed to be winners? I'm calling you a winner. How do you even deal with that? How do you accept that? And I think most of you don't accept it. I think most of you allowed in that instance when I said you are a winner, now go win, instantly your naysayer, your internal inner critic said, no, I'm not. I am not a winner. I failed this exam, or I'm not studying every night, or I'm procrastinating, or I'm putting it off. I am not a winner, right? So most of us, the default mechanism that we go to is to say no to ourselves. And I will challenge you. I will challenge you in that I want you to find out whether or not you are a winner or not. And I challenge you to find a way to say you are not a winner, because I don't believe that. I don't believe that you're not a winner, and I don't want you to believe that you're not a winner. I want you to believe that you are a winner, and if you need proof, because we live in a society that needs proof, right? Like I said, the earlier examples that you could see the winning spirit of an NBA player. You have proof. It's been documented on television. It's been documented with all the awards that they've won, right? So you have tangible evidence that support those other people being winners. But I'm here to say that you have proof also. You have your very own set of proof in your own arsenal of historical evidence of your own life. You just have to decide that you're going to look for it, find it, embrace it, and celebrate it. So what are some examples of you winning, right? Now, winning doesn't have to be a gold medal around your neck or a silver or bronze medal. It doesn't have to be the Heisman Award. Now, I'm not a sports person, so forgive me if I say it all wrong. It's not about the the ring that they win, during the Super Bowl. It's not about all those fancy awards on, whether it's an Oscar award or a Tony award. It's not about that. It's about finding the small successes that you've had in your life and that you continue to have in your life, and recognizing and bringing them from the recesses of your mind to the forefront of your mind, to say, these are wins. These are my personal wins. So if I have a personal win, then it must mean that I am a winner, right? So you are a winner. Go and find those many successes, small or large successes that make you a winner, and focus on those things. So what are some small wins? What are some large wins? So itsy bitsy wins might be what? Who has an example? Carla says, we've come so far. We are absolutely winners. We keep waking up, breathing, and moving forward. Yes, absolutely. That is the core of your winning spirit. The fact that you have awakened every single morning. The fact that you can move, you can talk, right? You can walk, you can express yourself, you can think, right? You can articulate, you can write, right? All of that, those are wins. Those are wins, but we've decided in this society that no, those things don't count. Those things don't count. Those are just automatic things. Well, no, they're not. There are people that can't talk. There are people that can't walk. There are people that can't, everybody can think, but their cognitions are distorted or unclear or unbalanced. There are people that are bedridden. There are people that have, diseases that will one day take them from this earth and transition them somewhere else. There are people that are in deep sorrow and depression, right? So if you're not experiencing that, that automatically means that you are winning, right? You won when your eyes opened up this morning. You won when you climbed out of your bed. You won when you walked down the hallway. Right? You won when you got in your car. You won when you went to your job. And even if you don't have a job, you won when you read the newspaper or when you went on the internet, right? Because these are things that you don't have to be able to do. You can't take these things for granted. These are real wins in your life. And so when I call you a winner, embrace it. Give me some feedback. Say, yes, I am a winner. Why? Because I'm breathing today. That's what makes me a winner. Why? Because my heart is palpitating for me. That makes me a winner. Because the blood is circulating through my veins. Hey, I am a winner, right? So focus on those things. If you have nothing else, focus on the things that you know for sure are supporting you as you're watching this video right here and right now. Now, those are wins that we take for granted, right? You may have other wins that you just don't put a lot of energy behind, right? Maybe your child said, I love you today. Maybe your friend said, you're an awesome friend. You know, that's a win. Maybe you gave a homeless person $1 and they smiled at you. That's a win, right? Maybe one of your prayers have been answered. Maybe you started meditating today or yesterday or 5 minutes ago. That's a win. Maybe you lost 10 pounds, right? Maybe you gained 50 pounds. Whatever is something that you value and is good for you, that is a win. Carla says, focus and imagination can help. Absolutely. One of your most powerful gifts that you have is your imagination. Your imagination is a humongous win and a gift because we are the only we're the only living, breathing animal that has an imagination, right? So that's why we're a higher being, because we can use our minds to go places that we've never gone. We can use our imagination to feel or be or see something that we've never been before, felt before, right? So our imagination can create a win, right? Use your imagination to create your next win. So you are a winner. Remember that you are a winner. So when I say you are a winner and go win, say, yes, that's exactly what I'm going to do because I'm winning every moment of every day, right? You're breathing, you're winning. And I'm so happy for you. And I'm so excited for all of you who've made a commitment to take and pass your exam this year, 2018. I'm excited for you. Pump yourself up, get your adrenaline pumped up, jump up and down, get excited, right? You need that energy of excitement to help you win. The universe doesn't like a cranky person. The universe doesn't like when we're down in despair and sadness, and then at the same time, we're wanting to accomplish something. You have to get that emotion churned up into your soul so you can experience it and the universe can start bringing things in alignment for you. That is so key. That is so key. So again, you are a winner. I look forward to hearing your post about how you've won and how you plan to continue to win. I look forward to hearing from you and excited that we're going to have many people to pass their examination this year. So please share that when you pass so that we can celebrate you and honor you and give thanks and praise for you. So take care and I will see y'all soon. Peace and love.